Now we will start section and midpoint board previous year board questions starting from 1995. Write down the first question, write down the coordinate of a point P. Let us draw a diagram joining A, that is minus 4 comma 1, and B 17 comma 10. P is a point which divides AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Let's say P as X and Y. It divides AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So first question may you have to find the value of P. There are two questions, and then second question may in what ratio does Y divides AB. That we will do it in the second part. The first will say let P divides AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So therefore we will write bisection formula. Px comma y is equal to, we know the formula, that is, let us write formula also, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So if you see, this is m, this is n. We can keep this as x1 y1, keep this as x2 y2. So just take m into 17 plus n into minus 4, that is for x. So let us write px comma y is equal to m is 1 into 17 plus 2 into minus 4 upon 1 plus 2. Same way we can do it with y. Y के लिए first we will take m, that is 1 into y2 is 10 plus 2 into y1 is 1 upon 1 plus 2. So therefore px comma y is equal to 17 minus 8 upon 3 comma 10 plus 2 upon 3. So that is 17 minus 8 is 9 by 3 comma 12 by 3. So therefore I can get px comma y is equal to p 3 comma 4. We got first question ka answer. Write down the point coordinate of the point P that divides the whole x and y, a and b in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Now again second question mein in what ratio does y divides ab. So that we will be doing. So let us draw axis. As we know, a is minus 4 comma 1, that is somewhere here, minus 4 comma 1, this is a. B is 17 comma 10, so it will be somewhere here. So this is the line which passes through A and B and cuts y axis. So A is minus 4 comma 1 and B is 17 comma 10. This is the point where it intersects y axis. This is y axis. This is x axis. Horizontal is x axis. So we will say let a point K which is 0 comma y divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So my m is this, n is this. So we can write bisection formula since we know y coordinate. This is y. Sorry, this is x. This is x, x1, x2. So I can write bisection formula x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x is 0. So here m ko we will multiplying with 17. So 17 into m plus n ko we will multiply with n ko we will multiply with minus 4 plus n into minus 4 whole upon m plus n. So cross multiplying these two part, 0 into m plus n, that is equal to 17m minus 4n. So 0 is equal to 17m minus 4n. 4n को you can shift on the right side, sorry, left side, that is 17m. So therefore m upon n is equal to 4 upon 17. So therefore we can say ratio in which k divides AB is 4:17. This was straightforward concept based question. Question number second. The midpoints of the line segment AB, line AB shown in the diagram. This diagram you can see it is given in the question. Its midpoint is given as 4,3, where A and B are the coordinates on x-axis and y-axis. So we can say let A का coordinate be x, 0 and coordinate of B be 0, y. A lies on x-axis and B lies on y-axis. Any point which lies on x-axis, उसका y coordinate is always 0, and B lies on y-axis, so its x coordinate is always 0. Now we can say M 4, minus 3 is the midpoint of AB. So as you see, we can just write it down. This is x, y. This we can say x1, y1. This we can say x2, y2. Or you can say x, 0 or. So now we will write by midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So value of x is, see, as you see, x की value is 4 is equal to x1 is actually x plus x2 is 0 upon 2. So we can just cross multiply 4 to the 8 is equal to x. So therefore A का coordinate I will get as 8, 0. This is the coordinate of A. Now same way we will substitute y. We are substituting this, see, it's y. This is minus 3. Y1 is 0. Y2 is y. So we can write minus 3 is equal to y1 0 plus y2 y upon 2. So minus 6 is equal to 0 plus y is y. So therefore y is minus 6. So B का coordinate is 0, minus 6. Hope this is clear. It was very simple question. Question number 3. The center O of a circle has a coordinate 4, 5. If you draw a circle, center is given as C or O. One point on the circumference is this 8, 10. Find the coordinate of the other end of the diameter. It's like diameter. So diameter, let's say it's AB. So one side of the diameter is given as, one point of the diameter is given as 8, 10. Let us draw this as diameter. A is given as 8, 10. B I don't know, that I can write as A, B. Or you can write x2, y2. Doesn't matter. O is the center of a circle, that is 4, 5. Center of a circle divides diameter into equal half. As we know, it's a radius. So if we write x, y, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what I can say? I can say x, that is by midpoint theorem, by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x is what? Here we have x. x1, x2. See, I had marked. You can just substitute. X is 4, that is equal to 8 plus a upon 2. So 4 to the 8, cross multiply, is equal to 8 plus a. So a is equal to 8 minus 8. Therefore a is equal to 0. Now we will write y ka. This is y. y1, y2. So we can write y, that is 5, is equal to y1 10 plus y2 is b upon 2. Cross multiply these two terms. 5 2s are 10 is equal to 10 plus b. So b is equal to 10 minus 10, which is 0. So therefore coordinate of b is 0 comma 0. So therefore other end of the diameter ka coordinate is 0 comma 0. In the figure, question number 4, in the figure, given figure, APB meets x-axis at A, so we can say its coordinate can be x comma 0 or A comma 0. You can write anything. Let us say A comma 0. And B is on y-axis, its coordinate can be 0 comma B. Minus 4 comma 2 is the point P. Minus 4 comma 2 is the point P, where AP is to PB is 1 is to 2. As you see, I have just labeled diagram. I will make new diagram over here with a straight line so that it's easy to understand. Let's say A, which has the coordinate of A comma 0. P is the point whose coordinate is minus 4 comma 2, and B is the point on y-axis, that is 0 comma y. If you just write it down, this is A, x1, y1, this is P, x comma y, this is B, x2, y2. So here what I will do, I will use the same formula, section formula. We can write by section formula. X is equal to m is to n. I have to write m is to n is 1 is to 2. So I can write formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, or y का formula we can write as y का my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So as we see, x, it's already given as minus 4. I had written everything. Let us write it as m n. So we will substitute x की value minus 4, it's given here. x1, x2 is here. So m is 1 into x2, that is 0, plus n is 2 into a upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. So we can cross multiply. 4 into 3 is equal to 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2a. So minus 12 is equal to 2a. So therefore a is equal to minus 6. We got a. So therefore I can say a ka coordinate is minus 6 comma 0. Now we will do y. As we see y, y1, y2. So y is 2, that is equal to m ki value is 1, y2 is y, that I have to write as b. This is b plus n2 into 0 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6. We'll just cross multiply, or you can write it down. 2 into 3 is equal to 1b plus 0. So plus 0, if you don't write, it's okay. So b is equal to 6. So therefore b ka coordinate is 0 comma 6. So we got the coordinates of a and b. Calculate the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the y equal to 2. This question is an important question. Let me explain first. See, we will make an axis. This is an x-axis, this is y-axis. Now 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5 lies in first quadrant, so I can write it here. This is my 6 comma 5. I can write A 6 comma 5. B is what? 4 comma minus 3. Somewhere 4 comma minus 3. Somewhere it may be here. B coordinate. It's 4 comma minus 3. So let us draw a line. We got A and B point. Now what they say is divided by the line y equal to 2. So y equal to 2 means it should be horizontal line. This is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 is the horizontal line which passes through the 2 of y. This is 2. Y ka, let's say this is 1, this is 2. This is the line which passes, and this line is y equal to 2. It's an horizontal line. The line divides AB at, let's say, P, whose x coordinate I don't know and y coordinate is obviously 2 because it's intersecting y equal to 2 line. So I can say let P x comma 2 divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So here ये ratio is ऊपर वाला AP is m and BP is n. You can take it that way. Okay. So now what we will say, we know A and B. We can take x, since we know y coordinate of all 3 points, we will take section formula में y coordinate. So y is equal to m by 2. We want to find ratio. So first we will take y. Y is equal to m by 2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So y की value is 2. As you see in the figure, P में y की y coordinate is 2. M value I don't know. M I will multiply with minus 3 plus n into 5 upon m plus n. So just cross multiply. 2 into m plus n is equal to minus 3m plus 5n. So you will get 2m plus 2n is equal to minus 3m plus 5n. Let's collect like terms. 2m plus 3n is equal to 5n minus 2n. So that is 5m is equal to 3n. So therefore m upon n is equal to 3 by 5. As you know, we had done in exercise कि इसका cross multiplication should match. You know, so therefore we can say m is to n की value is 3 is to 5. First part we got, and second part में what we have to find the coordinate of x, because we want point of intersection. Our point of intersection is P. P में we don't know x, so we will write x का formula, section formula का mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x, so we have to find m की value is 3, as we got it over here. 3 into x2 is 4. See, this is x2, y2, this is x1, y1, plus n की value is 5, that will be multiplied with x1 6 upon 3 plus 5. So x equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 6 5s are 30 upon 8, 42 upon 8. That can be written as 21. 2 21s are cancelling out. 2 4s are 2 21s are upon 4. So therefore P ka coordinate is 21 by 4. You are not supposed to write in mixed fraction. Whenever we had already discussed, do not write this type of coordinates in mixed fraction. So final answer, point of intersection is P, that is 21 by 4 comma 2. Question number 6. A 10, 5, B 6, minus 3 and C 2, 1 are the vertices of a triangle. So let us draw a triangle, write down its coordinate and then we will read further. A is 10, 5, B is 6, minus 3, C is 2, 1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Now L is the midpoint of AB and M is the midpoint of AC. You have to just find the coordinates of L and M. So it's very simple question. So we'll say by midpoint formula, we can say L x comma y, because coordinates are always x comma y. We will add both x coordinate, that is 10 plus 6 upon 2, comma, add both y coordinates 5 plus minus 3 upon 2. So therefore I can get L x comma y is equal to L 16 by 2 comma 2 by 2, that is L 8 comma 1. We got first answer. Now second के लिए again same, I will take M x comma y which is equal to M के लिए again this red 10 and 2. We are taking AC का midpoint है L, so we will take A and C का x coordinate का averages. So M is 10 plus 2 upon 2. This is 5 plus 1 upon 2. So that can be written as M 12 by 2 comma 6 by 2. So therefore M x comma y is equal to M 6 comma 3. Question number 7 is an important question. The line joining P and Q intersect y-axis at R. So let us draw a coordinate axis. P को we can write minus 4 comma 5 somewhere here. Q is 3 comma 2 maybe somewhere here. I don't know. It's in first quadrant. Let us join this. So here I can write P, that is minus 4 comma 5. This is Q, that is 3 comma 2. You should know all how to write this coordinate. It divides intersect y-axis. This is y-axis. Let's say it as R. So its coordinate can be written as 0 comma y, because R lies on y-axis. So its x coordinate is always 0. Find the ratio PR is to RQ. PR is to RQ, that is M is to N. And then find the coordinate of R. It's simple question. So first you have to write let R 0 comma y be the point on y axis such that PR is to RQ is equal to M is to N. This statement you have to write. So I can take by section formula. X का coordinate, because we know x coordinate. Everywhere I know x coordinate over here. X1 I know, x2 I know. Every coordinate is known. So I can say x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. X का coordinate is 0, m into 3 plus n into minus 5 upon m plus n. Minus 4, sorry, not minus 5. So now cross multiplying m plus n with 0, If you don't want, don't write it, because some student makes mistake while doing this in test. So that's why I'm showing you. Okay, whenever you are multiplying anything by 0, its result is always 0. That is equal to 3m minus 4n. So 0 is equal to 3m minus 4n. So therefore 4n is equal to 3m. So therefore m upon n is equal to 4 by 3. So therefore m is to n is equal to 4 is to 3. Therefore I can write PR is to RQ is equal to 4 is to 3. I got the first ratio. Now I have to find the coordinate of R. In that only y is missing. X coordinate though we already know it's 0 because it lies on y axis. So here what I will take, I will take y ka formula, section formula ka my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. As we know y is y, m ki value we got, this is s4 into y2 is, let's mark with red point, this is y2 and this is y1. y2 is 2 plus n is 3 into y1 is 5 upon m plus n, that is 4 plus 3. So therefore y is equal to 4 to the 8 plus 5 3 is 15 upon 4 plus 3 is 7. So that is 23 by 7. So therefore r ka coordinate is 0, 23 by 7. Do not write in mixed fraction, otherwise you may lose your marks. Question number 8. It's of same type question, but here AB is intercepted by x-axis. Same pattern question है. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. What they said, 2, 3. 2, 3 is somewhere here. I can say it's here. 6, minus 5 can be somewhere here. So let us draw a line. In which I can say this is the point A, which is 2, 3. This is the point B, which is 6, minus 5. This is the point P, sorry K, which can be written as x, 0. X, any point that lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is always 0. We have to first find the ratio in which K divides AB, and then we have to find the coordinate of K. For the coordinate of K, we will use X section formula. So here what we will do, we will say by section formula, y ka all coordinates are known, so I can take y. Y is, let us write formula first. Y is equal to m by 2 plus n by 1 upon m plus n. So y coordinate is 0. Then y1, this is m and this is n. So I can write it down, x1 y1, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So m ko we can multiply by 6. No, we can multiply by minus 5. Plus n ko we can multiply by 3 upon m plus n. Just cross multiply. 0 is 0 into m plus n is equal to minus 5m plus 3n. So 0 is equal to 5 minus 5m plus 3n. So 5m ko we can shift to the left. We will get 5m is equal to 3n. So therefore m upon n is equal to 3 by 5. So therefore m is to n is equal to 3 is to 5. We got a ratio. Now we have to find value of x. So for that we will use x square section formula. So that is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x is x, m into, this is m and this is x1. M की value we already know, it's 3 is to 5. So 3 into 6 plus n की value 5 into 2 whole upon 3 plus 5. So x is equal to 6 3 is 18 plus 5 2 is 10 upon 8, that is 28 upon 8. 4 7 is 4, 2 is, so that is 7 by 2. So we can get k ka coordinate as 7 by 2 comma 0. Hope you understood this. This was simple question and it was related to concepts of section formula. Question number 9. Find the coordinate of centroids of a triangle whose vertices are given. So let us write vertices A, B and C. A is minus 1 comma 3, B is 1 comma minus 1, C is 5 comma 1. Centroid we will say as G. Let G be the centroid of A, B and C. Write down this statement. So therefore we can say by centroid formula we can say Gx comma y is equal to G x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divide by 3. So I can write Gx comma y is equal to G x1 is A coordinate. You can write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 is minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 upon 3 and y ka we can say as y1 is 3 plus minus 1 plus 1 upon 3. So as you see, you can cancel out plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancel out. So we will get therefore Gx comma y is equal to G 5 by 3 comma 3 by 3. So that is G 5 by 3 comma 1. Question number 10th. The midpoints of the line segment joining A and B. Let us say that A is 2A comma 4 and B का coordinate is minus 2 comma 2B और उसका midpoint is 1 comma 2A plus B. So now what we have to find? We have to find the value of small a and small b. So here we can say midpoint of, by midpoint formula, this is M. By midpoint formula we can mention x1, this is x1 y1, this is x y and this is x2 y2. So I can mention x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y के लिए we will write y1 plus y2 divided by 2. You know what is midpoint formula now. Midpoint formula is the averages of x coordinates and y coordinates. So first I can substitute x is equal to 1, sorry, x1 is 2a plus x2 is minus 2 upon 2. So let us cross multiply. 1 into 2, this 2 you can cross multiply, is equal to 2a minus 2, minus 2 you can shift, 2 plus 2 is equal to 2a. So therefore 2a is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. Now y के लिए we can write 2a plus b is equal to y1, that is 4, plus y2 2b upon 2. Just if you put a value, 2 into a की value is 2 plus b whole into 2. This 2 I am cross multiplying, that is equal to 4 plus 2b. So 4 plus b into 2. So it's not b, it's 1. I did mistake, it's 1. Two a plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2b. So this is 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 is equal to 4 plus 2b. So 2b is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, b is equal to 3. So therefore finally we can write, therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Question number 11th. The line segment joining A and B is divided by a point P such that AP is to AB is 2 is to 5. Find the coordinate of the point P. So let us represent as a diagram. A is 4 comma minus 5. P is a point. We don't know, let us say it as x comma y, and B is the point which is 4 comma 5. Now as we know, ratio is given as AP is to AB till here. So AP is to AB is 2 is to 5. So since our ratio should be AP is to PB, we have to find PB first. So we will say this type of question we had done in exercise part also. Here we will say let common multiple be x. So therefore AP, let AP is equal to 2k. Common multiple will take k. AB is equal to 5k. So therefore BP is equal to, we will subtract AP minus AB minus AP. You have to show all workings. 5k minus 2k. So therefore BP is 3k. So therefore I can say M is to N, that is AP is to BP is 2 is to 3. So now we can write bisection formula. Here I can write ratio 2 is to 3. Bisection formula, we can write Px comma y is equal to P mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Just try to write formula so that you can memorize it. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So let's substitute. Is equal to P. M की value is 2, x2 is 4, 2 into 4 plus n is 3, this is 4, 3 into 4 upon 2 plus 3. Same way y के लिए we will do. M is 2 into 5 plus 3 into minus 5 whole upon 2 plus 3. So therefore Px comma y is equal to P 8 plus 4 to the 12 upon 5 comma 10 minus 15 upon 5. So this can be written as 20 by 5 comma minus 5 by 5. So therefore Px comma y की value we will get as P 4 comma minus 1. Question number 12. In what ratio does A and B divides the x-axis? Divide by x-axis. Also find a point of intersection. If you had seen this type of question we had done in board previous question. So for section formula, it's very common pattern. They ask very common pattern question. So if you are thorough with this pattern question, you will be getting full marks for section and midpoint formula. Let us write A minus 4 comma 3. It should be somewhere in this quadrant. 8 comma minus 6. 8 comma minus 6 should be somewhere in this quadrant. So if you say it's going like this, but it is divided by x-axis. So we can say A coordinate is 4 comma minus 4 comma 3. B coordinate is 8 comma minus 6, and this is the coordinate where we say P, which is x comma 0, that divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So now we know y ka all coordinates. See, y ka we know 3, 0 and minus 6. So we will take section formula. By section formula, y ka we can say y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So y ka coordinate is 0. This is y. I can here write x1 y1, x2 y2. 0 is equal to m into y2, that is minus 6 plus n into 3 upon m plus n. So 0 into m plus n is equal to minus 6m plus 3n. 0 is equal to minus 6m plus 3n. So 6m ko you can shift over here. 6m is equal to 3n. So therefore m upon n is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So therefore ratio is 1 is to 2. So therefore m is to n is 1 is to 2. You have to write the ratio. So we did ratio. Now we have to find the point of intersection. Point of intersection के लिए if you find out x, it's we can easily say p का coordinate. So we will use x का section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x is 0. Sorry, x is x. X is not 0. We have to find that x. M की value we got as 1 and his 2. So we can write 1 into 8 plus 2 into minus 4 upon 1 plus 2. So therefore x की value we will get 8 minus 8 upon 3, that is 0 by 3, that is 0. So x is 0. So therefore coordinate is p is 0 comma 0. See, we had done wrong. This diagram was just a guesswork. Now actual diagram, if you will see, it should be somewhere. I will show you how it goes on. You will draw actual diagram. A diagram is not important. I'm just showing you how it goes. So it's going somewhere like this. Here we have A, that is minus 4 comma 3. B is 8 comma minus 6. Upper part is m. This part is m. And this part is n. And this is the point of intersection P where we wrote x comma 0. And later on we had found out it is 0 comma 0. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So this is the actual diagram. Okay, diagram is just for your information. So you can draw rough diagram as per your choice. Question number 13. ABC is a triangle. Let's draw triangle ABC in which A is 1, 3, B is 4, B, C is A, 1, and G is the centroid. Centroid is 4, 3. So here we have to find the value of A and B. So to find the value of A and B, we can directly take centroid formula. By centroid formula, so let us write x comma y. This is x comma y. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. So we can put x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divide by 3, and y ko we can say y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divide by 3. The x की value is 4 is equal to x1 is 1 plus 4 plus a. 1 plus 4 plus a upon 3. We will cross multiply these two part. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 5 plus a. So therefore a is equal to 12 minus 5. Therefore a is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. And y की value भी as we see, y is 3. 3 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3, that is 3 plus b plus 1 upon 3. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 3 is 9 is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus b. So therefore b is equal to 9 minus 4, which is 5. So therefore b is equal to 5. So we got value of a as well as b. We want that a and b की value. Question number 14. Given a line segment AB where point A and B is given, find the ratio in which A divides y-axis and also find the coordinate of the point of intersection. Again same pattern question. So let us make an x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. X, y. Minus 4, 6 seems to be here. 8, minus 3. 8, minus 3 is somewhere here. So line will pass somewhere like this. It's not a straight line. Let us make straight line. So here I can write A, that is minus 4, 6. Here I can write B, that is 8. X is positive and y is negative. It is intercepted by the point at y-axis. So let's say point P is on y-axis. Its coordinate will be 0, y. That you have to write. So here I have taken K, so I will just write K only. Otherwise sums will become different. So we can say it divides into the ratio of m is to n. So just write it down, this statement. Let a minus 6, 4, minus 4, 6 and 8, minus 3 divides y-axis at m is to n. So therefore by section formula, I can write, I know x term. See, this is x. Let me write it down. X, y. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we can use x ka because all x values are known. So we can use x is equal to mx2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. The x value is 0, that is equal to m key value we don't know, but x2 as we see it's 8 plus n into x1 key value I can see it's minus 4. See, I had marked with a circle, red circle, m plus n. So if we cross multiply m plus n with 0, 8m minus 4n, so I will get 0 is equal to 8m minus 4n. So therefore I can say 4n is equal to 8m. So therefore m upon n is equal to 4 by 8. We can cancel it out, 1 by 2. So therefore m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. We got m key value. Let us write it down. M 1 is to 2. Now we will use, now we want y coordinate, so we will use y ka section formula, m by 2 plus n by 1 upon m plus n. So our y coordinate is unknown. We got m, that is 1 ko we will multiply with minus 3 plus 2 we will multiply with 6 whole upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. So y is equal to minus 3 plus 12 upon 3. So that is 9 by 3, that is 3. So coordinate of intersection is, this was first question, this is second question ka answer. So coordinate of intersection is 0, 3. So therefore we can write coordinate of the point of intersection is k0, 3. Question number 15. AB is a diameter of a circle. Let's say A and B. A is given as 3, minus 7. Center C is given as minus 2, 5. And B, we can say it is x2, y2. You can suppose anything as per your wish. You can even suppose A, B or anything else. AB is the diameter of a circle with center C. Find the coordinate of B if A is given. So here we are using midpoint. As you had seen from 1995 to 2013, we had done 15 board question, and none of the question was complicated. It was straightforward, just related to the basic concepts. You should memorize the formula and you should know how to substitute in the formulas. So let us start with midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, we can say x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Let us write x, y, x1, y1. This is x1, y1, x, y. This is x2, y2 already written down. So here first we'll start with x. X is minus 2 is equal to x1 is 3 plus x2 upon 2. Cross multiply, minus 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 3 plus x2. So therefore x2 is minus 4 minus 3. X2 is minus 7. Now we'll take y wala. So y is 5. Five is equal to y1 is given as minus 7 plus y2 upon 2. So cross multiply, you will get 10 is equal to minus 7 plus y2. So therefore y2 is equal to 10 plus 7, that is 17. So therefore B ka coordinate I can get as minus 7 comma 17. Question 16. In a given figure, this figure is given AB meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So we know when A is on x-axis, we can keep its coordinate as x comma 0 or A comma 0. Let us keep A comma 0. And B ka coordinate we can keep 0 comma B. P is a point minus 3 comma 4 on AB in the ratio of 2:3. Find the coordinate of A and B. So let us draw a diagram, simple line. Here we can say A is A comma 0, P is a point which has the coordinate of minus 3 comma 4, and B is the point whose coordinate is 0 comma B as it lies on y-axis. And our coordinate is, our ratio is 2:3. So we can see it's very simple question. We will just use section formula, and this type of question also we did in exercise as well as repeated board question previously. So we will use by section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So here let us mark, this is x1 y1, this is x comma y, x2 y2, and this is what m, and this is n. Everything has been marked. We are just replacing it. So x is 3 minus 3, that is equal to m is 2 into x2 is 0 plus n is 3, x1 is a upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. So we can write minus 3 into 5 is equal to 3a, minus 15 by 3 is equal to a. So therefore a is equal to minus 5. So we get coordinate of a as minus 5 comma 0. Same way we will replace in y. Y is 4 as you see it over here. M की value is 2 into y2 की value is b plus n is 3 into y1 is 0 upon m plus n is 2 plus 3. So we can write 4 into 5. This is 5. That is equal to 2b. So therefore 2b is equal to 20. B is equal to 10. So my B coordinate is 0 comma 10. So we get A ka coordinate, we get B ka coordinate. This was very common question. Calculate the ratio. Question number 17. Calculate the ratio in which line segment A and B. Let us draw line A minus 4 comma 2, B is 3 comma 6, and P is a point which is x comma 3. It's divided in the ratio of m is to n. So here if you will see, this is x1 y1, x comma y, this is x2 comma y2. So here I can see, I know y1 value, y value and y2 value. So I will take section formula for y, that is y is equal to m by 2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So y value is 3, m we have to find, y2 is 6 plus n into 2 upon m plus n. So just cross multiply 3 into m plus n. These two will get cross multiplied, is equal to 6m plus 2n. So 3m plus 3n is equal to 6m plus 2n. Just shift like terms, 3n minus 2n is equal to 6m minus 3n. So we can solve n is equal to 3m, so we will cross multiply. We will write m by n is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore m is to n is equal to 1 is to 3. So our ratio is 1 is to 3. Now we have to find the value of x. So again we will take section formula ka x. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x key value is x. Now we got m key value, that is 1, and n key value 3. We will put that 1 into 6 plus 3 into 2 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. So 6 plus 6, 12. We are finding x, sorry, we had multiplied with y. Here I will multiply 1 ko I can multiply with 3. 1 into 3 plus 3 into minus 4 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. So this will become 3 minus 12 upon 4. So therefore x key value is minus 9 by 4. Since it's a coordinate, do not write in mixed fraction. Question number 18. If p1 comma minus 2 is the point on, let us write on line p1 comma minus 2 is the point on the line segment AB. A is 3 comma minus 6, B is x comma y, where AP is to PB. AP का ratio is 2 and PB का ratio is 3. This is a simple concept question. Here we will take just section formula for x and y. So as you see, I will just mark it down x1, y1. This is x comma y according to the formula, and this is x2, y2 according to the formula. Okay, so we can write x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. X key value is 1, x1, x2. All values we will substitute. So 1 is equal to m key value is 2 into x2, that is x, plus n is 3 into 3 whole upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. So 1 into 5, this we can cross multiply, that is 2x plus 9. 5 minus 9 is equal to 2x. So therefore 2x is equal to minus 4. So therefore x is equal to minus 2. We got x value. Same thing we will do with y. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So as per the formula, you will see y is 2. See, it's y, this is y. M key value is 2 into y2 key value is y, plus n is 3. Just see which I am marking, into y1 is minus 6 upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Hope you had understood. We are just putting in the formula, that is 2 is equal to 2y minus 18 upon 5. Just cross multiply, 5 into 2 is 10 is equal to 2y minus 18. 18 को you can shift on the left side. 10 plus 18 is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to 28. So y is equal to 14. So now we have to write the coordinate of B. This is my final answer. So wait, this is minus 2, huh? P is minus 2. I did some errors. So here I can write minus 2 and plus 8. It is 8. Because I cannot see. Oh, this is minus 2. 8. That is 4. So B ka coordinate is minus 2 comma 4. This is the final answer. Question number 19, 2020 का recent question. In what ratio does P and Q, let us write P 5,3 and Q, that is minus 5,3, is divided by y-axis. So I have to make the coordinate axis here. So let us make coordinate axis. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. 5,3 is somewhere here in this, and minus 5,3 is somewhere here. It's on the same thing. It's like this. So here this is. So I can write P. This is Q minus 5,3. This is P 5,3. Let's say it is intersected at y-axis at K. We can say at 0, y, and it divides in the ratio of m is to n. So starting m with P. So here I can write, let P 5,3 and Q minus 5,3 divides y-axis at K in the ratio. Later on you have to find the coordinate of intersection also, but as we know this is x1 y1, this is x comma y, this is x2 y2. Since we know all x coordinates, so we will start with x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. The x is 0, m is 3 into minus m into minus 5 plus n ko we can multiply it with 5, n into 5 upon m plus n. So m plus n into 0 is 0, that is minus 5m plus 5n. 5 ko you can shift to the left side. You will get 5m is equal to 5n. So therefore m is to m upon n is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 1. So therefore m is to n is 1 is to 1. That means the point of intersection is the mid value. Okay, once you know this, you can find, since we are doing section formula for y also, I will use section formula. So y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So y is equal to m key value is 1 into 3 plus n key value is 1 into again 3, because y1 and y2 is 3 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 1. So y is equal to 3 plus 3 upon 2, y is equal to 6 by 2, therefore y is equal to 3. We have to find point of intersection, so therefore I can write k key value is 0, 3. So therefore last my statement I will write point of intersection is k 0, 3. Hope this is clear. In board question what we have concluded, board questions is related to the concepts. If you know the concepts and formulas very well, you are going to score full marks for that topic. So best part, just learn the learn formulas and learn the concepts, how to apply that formula. Hope you understood this whole chapters.